Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Quinoa for babies, health benefits and recipes. Newborn babies are best fed on mother's milk for the first 6 months, and after that, normal foods can be introduced slowly into their diet. One such superfood you can give your baby is quinoa, a nutrient-rich option perfect for kids during their growing years. When can you introduce quinoa to your baby? Doctors usually recommend quinoa to babies who are 8 months old and above. Consult your doctor as to what's the best time to introduce this superfood. Nutritional value of quinoa. Quinoa is nutritionally rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. It also has antioxidants and good fiber content, which is a natural laxative to avoid constipation in babies. Amazing health benefits of quinoa for babies. High levels of antioxidants. Less cholesterol. High fiber level building immunity. High protein. Amino acids promote hair growth, tissue repair. Riboflavin. Delicious quinoa recipe for babies. Simple quinoa recipe. Wash quinoa and soak it in water for 2 hours. Now, boil it for 30 minutes, cool it off, and grind it into a puree. It is ready to serve. Quinoa recipe with vegetable or meat. Wash quinoa and soak it in water for 2 hours. Now, boil it for 30 minutes, cool it off. Add boiled meat or vegetables to quinoa and grind everything into a puree. It is ready to serve. Quinoa porridge. In a cup, add 1 or 2 cups water and 1/4 cup quinoa powder. Cook it in a pan and make sure it has no lumps. Once you get the right consistency, turn the stove off and add fruits for more taste. Quinoa and peas. Pick boiled quinoa and vegetables or chicken and add them to a saucepan with water. Add raw peas and let everything simmer on a medium flame. Don't make it extremely thick. Once ready, you may serve it as it is or grind it to make a puree. Quinoa fruity feast. Boil ½ cup water and 1/4 cup quinoa in a saucepan. After some time, reduce the flame, add raisins and apple pieces, and let it simmer until water is absorbed. Now, add mashed bananas, a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. You can make it as a puree and serve it. Precautions to take while giving quinoa to your young child. The quinoa you buy must be dehulled. If the quinoa is not dehulled, it isn't edible. Wash the quinoa under running water and soak it before using it for your baby food. A proper wash will remove all the bitterness. Do not use salt when preparing quinoa for your baby, as it is not required. Also, don't use artificially sweet foods as they are not healthy. Like other seeds, quinoa can also cause allergic reactions in some babies. This is something you need to watch out for. It is advisable to consult your healthcare provider to strike out any doubts or concerns regarding feeding quinoa to your child.